Welcome to 1701 North Crystal Cove in Haslett School District. This 3-bedroom condo has been well cared for and is in move-in ready condition. It offers great storage, a 2-car attached garage, and a finished walkout lower level for a total of over 2,300 square feet of finished living space. As you enter this home, you're welcomed into the foyer that leads to the open concept great room with cathedral ceilings, hardwood floors, and large window and patio door that flood this space with natural lighting. Living room, dining area, and kitchen are seamless with an open sight line from one end to the other. The kitchen offers granite countertops, a pantry, and a built-in desk area. Off the living room, you can walk out to the private deck that is complete with composite decking for low maintenance and an electronic awning for added comfort on warm summer days. The main bedroom is great sized and features hardwood floors, a walk-in closet, and its own private bath. Currently, the second bedroom on the main level is set up as a formal dining room, but it has French doors, a walk-in closet, and its own private bath. The lower level is beautiful, with a family room with a patio door leading outside, a gas fireplace, and it's just a great space for second living area, family gathering, or just relaxing. The third bedroom also has great windows and its own walk-in closet. The third space that is finished in the basement is great sized. It's currently being used as a guest room, but it is perfect for a media room, home office, or home gym space. The roof, furnace, air conditioner, most flooring, interior paint, and appliances are all less than 5 years old. This unit offers a unique view of the pond area, allowing for more privacy and a great place to watch the wildlife. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga with Keller Williams. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, 517-712-8009.